I can't say that. You know, him and I don't want to say he's not bad, but well, he hasn't really accepted me yet.
I'm sorry.
No, we haven't got nothing bad has happened.
Selfie. Ay,
Yeah, right, exactly. You know what I'm saying, yeah.
oh wow, yummy.
Well, I know.
Kuya, anong flavor sa, ano to kuya sa akin?
Maraming ingredients.
Ano kuya? Anong ingredients? Bayabas. Pomelo, suha.
Passion.
Uy, may passion fruit. Okay. Kuya, ano pangalan ng barko mo, kuya?
Well, it's funny because I told Greg today, 'cause I hired Steve.
I did this kind of glass.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
I said, after I said, Tommy's gonna
Wait, ito na, bigay na.
rather try whale watching.
Ha? Okay, okay.
Let me have a double of that
I
Jack
know,
on the rocks.
but no, those quote unquote are like those fresh. Every day.
Single bar. Yes.
Right.
And then I need an Alaskan amber. Air.
And, you know, every recommendation
no.
they had their guard up, they end up helping Eddie,
Oh, yum.
you know, because I break Eddie up and you up and Tracy up. And they
Sige na, kuya. Parang awa mo na. Kasi isa pa.
What is the difference?
This one costs 19, so you need to pay $4.
Yeah, so next thing you say,
Is Woodford the same?
inject something nice.
One for the regular, we do this one's right.
I don't want one.
This one, I put the package.
Yeah. Is that in my package? There you go.
So would you like it with ice or just eat?
Ice. A double?
Double, I appreciate
Oh,
that.
wow, yum.
We had a rough start. Let's do that.
Wow. Amazing.
What?
That one.
That was good.
That was good.
That single barrel Jack's even better out there.
Is it strong or what?
Oh no, it's very sweet.
Oh, yeah. And then you mix them.
No, this is. I'm just gonna drink this on the rocks.
Okay. Kuya, ako na lang, di mo ako kapitbahay. Kuya naman, parang...
I-share ko na lang sa ano.
Sige, ito, gawa mo ulit ako isa. Yan po na maiiyak ako. Ang sarap na ito eh. Tikman mo.
Bayabas na.
Bayabas nga.
Lumboy.
Oh, tamo. Ang tamis, di ba? Bayabas nga. Kuya, bayabas. Lumboy. Pwede rin.
I was going to call them, you know, a couple of the vendors on the other pending. I kind of want,
Dito talaga tayo tumambay.
but I don't know if that's nice.
Willing tongkol, all mine done.
Kuya, saan ka sa atin, kuya?
Ano na,
They were fishing.
Ay, saan San Tipolo?
Indok mismo.
Palmer, sa may church?
Medyo malapit.
Sa-
Sa Peno, balik na. Extension.
Sa Palmera 4 ako.
Hindi ko pa kabisado.
Yung papunta sa Harris Memorial College. Sa kabila ako eh. Oo, papuntang ano, Binangonan.
If he doesn't,
ML Quezon na.
but only one operator.
Sa kabilang way ako eh. Palmera 4.
Narinig ko na yan. Pero hindi ka kasi yung...
Sa kabila ka? Saan ka nag-college do?
Hindi, kalis ako sa baba. Pinisi ako.
Saan?
Sa... Malapit lang. Sa QC ako.
Sa QC ka?
Wala na ng Dipolo. Mga 3 years pa lang.
Sa Antipolo? Pero saan ka sa atin dati?
Sa ano?
There's part of me that, you know, like, just going to be a phone call saying, hey, look.
Ah, okay. Buti nakilala mo. Ngayon mo lang nakita? Ang dami mo naman ka.
I'll call him tomorrow.
Matraffic naman doon eh.
October.